What's up everybody, Dees here, and today we're doing the infamous Feta pasta in the Instapot, of course. Once I show you how to do it, you'll know how to do it, so let's get started. What you're gonna need for this recipe is feta cheese, fresh spinach, some pasta, some cherry tomatoes, some olive oil, some black pepper, some chili flakes, some minced garlic, some Italian seasoning, and some water. We're gonna go ahead and put our cherry tomatoes in the Instapot, and we're gonna put our pasta right on top. We'll put 3 cups of water, and we'll go ahead and put our seasoning. Black pepper, some Italian seasoning, and this is roughly about a tablespoon of each seasoning, or whatever your taste palette likes. No real measuring with this mix. So we want to go ahead and mix it around, put our feta cheese right on top, and drizzle it with some olive oil. Make sure that our pasta is submerged in the water. Go ahead and close our Instapot. Hit high pressure for 4 minutes. And before you know it, you got the infamous feta pasta in the Instapot. Why dirty your pots when you can use the Instapot? Go ahead and put your fresh spinach inside the Instapot. Just takes a few minutes for that to just kind of saute down, and you got a beautiful meal in under 10 minutes. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, follow along, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe.